Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by freeing the slider and clearing obstructions. First, move the slider gently toward the bottom until it stops. This locates the separation point. Once done, use a small brush to remove lint, then rub a graphite pencil or a drop of soap on the teeth. This reduces friction and helps the slider glide. Make sure to hold the fabric taut and steady. You want control so you don't warp teeth when you begin adjusting the slider with pliers. Now you adjust the slider so it re-engages teeth. Use needle nose first to straighten any misaligned teeth that block joining. Then, close the slider's gap by pinching the top and bottom plates lightly with pliers. Apply tiny amounts, test, repeat. You do this because the slider often loses tension and can no longer mesh teeth. Once the slider grips, slowly pull it up. If the zipper closes, you've restored the mating action. Make sure to test. Finish by securing stops and confirming durability. If the original stop is damaged, crimp a new metal stop or sew a tight fabric stop about 1/2 inch below the top. This keeps the slider from slipping off. Once secured, run the zipper up and down several times. This ensures the slider maintains engagement. If the zipper still splits, replace the slider with an exact size match. You need the right width so teeth mesh correctly. Tip: if separation recurs, check for intermittent bent teeth you may have missed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.